Alright guys, we continue our enjoyment learning Arabic language through cartoon. So we're gonna get started to the scene, but I'm not gonna enable the voice here in the movie. I will just explain what the characters saying. You're gonna get the phrases from me without enabling the character voices. Let's get started because we're almost reaching the end of the movie. Pay attention guys, because the coming events are exciting. Let's get started. So right here, the fox and the rabbit in the car, they are going to find someone to help. They're gonna go to find this guy. هذا هو الشخص المطلوب. So let's write down this phrase together guys. هذا هو الشخص المطلوب. هذا هو الشخص المطلوب. So this guy, this is the demanded person. هذا هو الشخص المطلوب. They're gonna go to find this guy because this guy were selling like the night howlers. العاوين ليلا. Alright, okay. هذا هو الشخص المطلوب. And this guy now is selling movies. They want to get some information from this animal, but he refused. He said, لن أتكلم ولا تستطيعون إجباري. So this is what he said. لن أتكلم ولا تستطيعون إجباري. لن أتكلم, I will not talk. لن أتكلم, I will not talk. ولا تستطيعون إجبار, and you both cannot force me to speak. لن أتكلم ولا تستطيعون, you can't force me. إجباري. This is the phrase guys. لن أتكلم ولا تستطيعون إجباري. Let's keep going. So our rabbit Judy here don't think so. She said حقا, really حقا. Let's see, let's keep going. Wow, okay. Now Judy took this animal to her old friend, this mafia boss, and he said جمدوه. This is what the mafia boss said. جمدوه. He's saying that جمدوه. I think you still remember this word guys, because I've mentioned this word in the previous lesson. If you go back to the first lessons, جمدوه, frozen him, جمدوه. I think now this animal is going to confess about everything about the night howlers. لا تجمدون, don't frozen me. I will tell you anything. Just I sold the night howlers these flowers to a ram, a كبش. بعته, this is what he said guys. بعته العاوين ليلا إلى كبش تحت الأنفاق, تحت الأرض. So basically he said, I sold the night howlers to a ram underground. بعت, this is what he said. بعت العاوين ليلا إلى كبش. The word كبش means a ram. تحت الأرض, كبش. alright guys. كبش ram. بعت العوين ليلا إلى كبش تحت الأرض. Okay. Now our heroes decided to go underground to see this ram. ما هذا? What is this? Wow. He's planting night howlers in a metro, in a train. هذا هو الكبش. هذا هو الكبش. This is the ram. هذا هو الكبش. This is the ram, guys, who planting the night howlers. So guys, this guy is planting the night howlers, and he is making from the night howlers a vaccine or something like a vaccine to shoot the predators. So basically he shot some predators like our missing beaver. لقد أطلق على القندس. He shot the beaver. Now Judy is just connecting the she's connecting everything together right now. Now she remembered everything, and now everything is clear right now. Now she is saying سنأخذ دليلا للشرطة. This is what she said in the scene right now. سنأخذ دليلا لشرطة المدينة. We're gonna get an evidence. We're gonna get an evidence to the police, the city police. سوف نأخذ دليلا. The word دليلا means evidence. سنأخذ دليلا لشرطة المدينة. واو. لقد أخذت القطار كله. She took the train. She got a case, and in this case she got some of the vaccine. المصل. المصل is the vaccine. Now I think they are going to somewhere like a museum. And boom! The new mayor just came. This is surprising. العمدة العمدة. She's saying العمدة. لقد وجدنا دليلا. لقد وجدنا دليلا. We got an evidence. لقد وجدنا دليلا. Let's write down this phrase, guys. لقد وجدنا دليلا. So as I'm saying لقد وجدنا دليلا, we have found an evidence. So the rabbi is explaining now what happened. Oh, in Mer, we have found an evidence. We have found the ram planting the night howlers and he targeting the predators. And that is what made predators turn into beasts, turn into savages. Guys, Judy now is saying a good and a smart question. She's asking the Mer, كيف عرفتي مكاننا? كيف عرفتي مكان? How did you know our place? How did you know where we are right now? كيف عرفتي مكاننا? And the mayor just keeps saying, just give me the case, just give me the case. Unfortunately, Judy refused to give her the case, and now the the adventure will begin. We're gonna see a very dangerous ram right here, very angry mad dam right here is gonna chase our heroes. مطاردة قوية. بوم برارم بوم بوم. هذه مطاردة. This is the chase. مطاردة قوية. So I'm gonna say right now, مطاردة, guys, means a chase. مطاردة. I've mentioned this word previously, but I want you to remember this word. مطاردة means مطاردة, a chase. All right. هذه مطاردة قوية. Oh my God. يا إلهي. Now the numer says, now the numer saying, لقد أوقعت بكما كما أوقعت بلاين heart. Guys, let's write down this phrase because it's a very nice phrase. لقد أوقعت بكما كما أوقعت بلاين heart. So basically she's saying لقد أوقعت بكما. So this is a good expression and I'm gonna explain it now. I've trapped you. لقد أوقعت بكما. This is how we can translate it. لقد أوقعت بكما كما أوقعت, as I trapped lion heart. As I trapped then the previous mare, the ex-mare lion heart. This is what she's saying right now. I think we're gonna see an end right now, and I want you to think: is the end going to be sad or happy? Let's keep watching, guys. Oh, they shot the fox. لقد أطلقوا على الثعلب. لقد أطلقوا على الثعلب. They shot the fox. لقد أطلقوا على الثعلب. لقد أطلقوا على الثعلب. They shot the fox. لقد أطلقوا. They shot على الثعلب. The fox. الثعلب. All right, let's keep watching, guys. The scenes are getting exciting right now. Let's keep watching. Now the fox is going to be a savage, a beast, a savage beast. Wow, he's going to eat our hero. She's happy right now. She's very happy, guys. Look at her. Look at this face. Look at this villain face. Villain. It's a super villain face I've ever seen in a cartoon like this. هذه شريرة. شريرة means a villain. شريرة. Let's keep going. Oh, this is the end, guys. Is this the end? She's saying dima, like blood. I don't know why she's saying dima. That's what Judy's saying right now. Dima, blood. I think she's acting right now. Both of them are acting now. But how? All of us saw they shot the fox. So basically, the fox changed the bullets with like a fruit, like I don't know what called this fruit, this blue fruit. Wow, he changed the bullets with fruits, blue fruits like this. And basically, and what happened right now is Judy was recording what the mayor is saying, and now she gonna give this evidence to the police, and everything will change right now. هذا هو الدليل. Now she's saying هذا هو الدليل. This is the evidence. هذا هو الدليل. This is the evidence. هذا هو الدليل. دعنا نرى ماذا سيحدث بعد الآن. واو، لقد أمسكوا بها والآن العمدة الجديد يعود لمكانه. And the new mayor, العمدة يعود إلى مكانه. العمدة يعود لمكانه. So our mayor is returning back to his position. العمدة يعود لمكانه. العمدة يعود لمكانه. And everything right now is happy, and we got good news here, and this is a happy. هذه نهاية سعيدة. This is a happy end. So we are reached the end of this movie, but stay tuned because there is a funny scene left at the end of this movie.